In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept Revolut payments on WooCommerce. Whether you're just getting started with your online store or looking to expand the payment options for your customers, integrating Revolut can be a fantastic choice. Revolut is known for its simplicity, competitive fees, and global reach, making it an excellent payment solution for e-commerce businesses of all sizes. Today, I'll walk you through each step of the setup process. So by the end of this video, you'll have Revolut fully integrated into your WooCommerce store, ready to accept payments seamlessly. Let's dive in. First things first, start by opening your WordPress dashboard and signing in. This is the central hub where all the magic happens for your website. Once you're in, head over to the left-hand menu. You'll see an option called Plugins. Click on that and then select Add New. This is where we'll be installing the plugin that connects Revolut with your WooCommerce store. Now, in the search bar at the top right of the screen, type in Revolut and wait for the search results to load. Once they appear, you'll want to locate the official Revolut plugin for WooCommerce. Be sure to choose the official one to ensure compatibility and security. Once you've found it, click the Install Now button. The installation process should only take a few seconds. When the installation is complete, the button will change to say Activate. Go ahead and click that to activate the plugin on your website. Now the plugin is live on your site, but we still need to configure it to work with your Revolut account. To do that, go back to the installed plugins list where you'll see all the plugins currently active on your site. Find the Revolut plugin in the list, and under its name, you'll see a settings link. Click on that, and it will take you to the configuration screen for the plugin. The first thing you'll need to do here is enable the payment gateway. This makes Revolut available as a payment option at checkout on your website. Once that's done, you'll want to customize the title and description fields. These are the details that your customers will see during the checkout process. For example, you can name it Pay with Revolut and add a short description like Secure Payment with your Revolut account or card. A clear and professional description helps build trust with your customers. Next, you'll see options to customize the payment experience. This might include features like specifying the regions you serve or tailoring the payment flow to better suit your business needs. Take a moment to review these and select the options that match your store's requirements. Now, it's time to connect your Revolut account. You'll need to enter your Revolut credentials, which you can find in your Revolut business dashboard. Be careful here. Double check that the credentials are correct, as any typos could prevent the integration from working. And remember, it's crucial to keep these credentials secure. Avoid sharing them or storing them in unprotected locations. Once your credentials are in, you'll see an option to choose between test mode and live mode. If you're setting this up for the first time, I recommend starting with test mode. This allows you to verify everything is working correctly without processing real payments. Once you're confident that everything is set up properly, you can switch to live mode so your store can start accepting real payments. Before wrapping up, make sure your store's currency and regional settings align with your Revolut account. This ensures a smooth experience for both you and your customers. If you're unsure about any of the fields, take advantage of the on-screen help or tooltips provided by the plugin. These can be incredibly useful for clarifying any details. Finally, don't forget to click Save Changes to apply all the configurations. Once saved, it's a good idea to test the checkout process on your site to verify that the Revolut payment gateway is visible and functioning correctly. You want to ensure everything runs smoothly before your customers start using it. And that's it. You've successfully set up Revolut payments on your WooCommerce store. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.